Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Oriental Carpet Thailand. We sell carpet and we have washing, repairing services as well. Today, I'm going to show you how we clean rugs. We use an herbal hand wash and is washed by our professional. We clean and removed all stain, building dirt, unwanted smell, which we guarantee you that it will be clean and 100% satisfaction. If you have Iranian silk rug, Kashmir silk rug, or Pakistani silk and woolen rugs, you can come to us. We will guarantee your carpets and make sure that you are 100% satisfied. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We have shops in Bangkok, Huahin, and Pattaya. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next video.